Good evening. I think the first opportunity was from our side and we scored goal. After on the second, we got the second opportunity also. I'm speaking about the first half, and what I saw was the opponent is a strong team, have good quality, good players, and was not easy. And my players make a fantastic job without ball, pressing, close the space for this team, and after try to make offensive transition because we are winning. And I think we can score the second goal on the first half. We not score. Last minutes of the first half, we have some mistakes. We give some space. Opponent team get a chance, score a goal, but was offside. On the second half, we also scored a goal, but the VAR say that was a foul or something like this. I think was a good game with good opportunities. During the second half, I have some physical problems with some players, as you saw. It's not easy. The field is strong, and some of them cannot hold the 90 minutes, so we need to make substitutions. Some of players make all the 90 minutes, but are not in good physical conditions. But I must say congratulations to my players because they make a fantastic behavior inside of the pitch. Also, I want to say congratulations for the fantastic environment of this night. I think it was a fantastic game with opportunities for the two sides and a fantastic environment with the supporters. So I think it was a good football game.
Good evening to everyone. I agree with the coach on everything. It was a tough game against good opponent, and we are very happy that we win and we start the new year with the win.